In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a theme selector that remembers your theme after reloading the page. We'll start off with an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file all in the same folder. For the HTML, we'll begin by making a very simple boilerplate. In the head, we'll have the title of theme selector and the links to the CSS and JavaScript files. Adding the defer attribute to the JavaScript file so it waits for the HTML before running. In the body, we'll have an h1 with the following text and a div below it. Inside the div, we'll have 3 buttons, each with an ID that corresponds to a theme. For the CSS, we'll have 2 variables in the body, one for the color of the background and the other for the color of the text. We'll use display grid to center the items horizontally and increase the font size. We'll also set the background and text colors to the variables that we defined earlier. For the buttons, we'll add some padding and a solid border the same color as the text to make sure the buttons are always visible. We'll turn the buttons into circles using a border radius of 50% and give them the background color of the default theme. For the other 2 buttons, we'll change their color individually to match their respective theme. The theme will depend on the ID of the body. When the body has the ID of red, these will be the new colors for the background and text. And the same applies to every other theme. For the JavaScript, we'll make a function called setTheme with the selected theme as a parameter. To remember the theme, we'll use local storage to set an item, in my case I called it theme, and we'll also pass in the value that we received as a parameter. To change the theme, we'll set the ID of the body to the selected theme. Outside the function, we'll set the ID of the body to our theme in the local storage or the default theme if we have not selected a theme. This will happen every single time the page loads. To make our buttons change the theme, we'll add an event listener called onClick, which calls the setTheme function, passing in the button's ID. If you want to learn how to make a very simple dark mode button, check out this video right here. And if there's any tutorial you'd like for me to make, comment down below, and thanks for watching.